What is up, you guys? Yes, we're back with another video. Today we are going to be unboxing the brand new AirPod Pro 3. I already opened them because I wanted to use them. My little sister got them for me as a Christmas gift like a week ago, but I have to make a video. So yeah, let's pretend, right, you guys? Let's open it up. Okay, too easy. Throw the box away. You got your design by Apple in California. Little slit. Is there a sticker in here? No stickers! Man, get that shit out of here. And then you got your AirPods. Oh, what fell? You get no cable? Are you serious? But you do get your little earbud adjustments. If you have bigger ears, smaller ears, medium ears, whatever kind of ears, Dumbo ears, it don't matter. Apple has it all. Throw it to the side because we don't need it. As you can see, you got your AirPod Pro 3s. Nothing too crazy. Apple, why don't you make black AirPods? Don't you guys want to make some money? That would look so cool. Black AirPods, like they just have to change the color, that's it. I did have the first AirPod Pros, the second gen, and now we have the third gen. The first gen, they were stolen by a guy in the military. I dropped them for 5 minutes and they weren't there no more. Everybody in the military still, so there's that. The second generation, they feel good, they sound good. Noise cancellation is great. Noise transparency is great. But let's test these out. First, you got your AirPods, obviously. Little bit on the lengthier side of the ear things. We're gonna put them on. Okay. Damn! Whoa, that's cool. That's actually cool. Feel way better than the second and the first gen. They feel more true to the ear, which I like. Let's test out the transparency mode. Damn, it feels like you don't even have them on. Like, I can really hear my surrounding area. Wow, that's actually cool. What the? Now let's test noise cancellation. All you have to do is just hold it for like 2 seconds. Damn. It sounds kind of the same with the noise cancellation. I'll give it like 12%, way more quieter. Like, it really like muffles the sound out. Like, the cool thing I liked about these headphones, testing them out for like a week, right? The sound of it. The sound quality sounds the same as the second gen, a little bit better than the first gen. But what's really changed is the bass of the actual AirPod. It's like more a pom, pom, pom. At least that's a little bit more louder, which is kind of cool if you do like that kind of bassy headphones and stuff like that. Apparently, it has real-time translation. But the con of that is that it only works for the iPhone 15s and above. I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max, so it doesn't work for me. So boo to Apple. Everybody boo, everybody boo. Woo. Which kind of sucks because they're forcing us to upgrade iPhones just to activate that feature. It also tracks your heart rate through your ears. I haven't tested it out because I'm pretty sure you need an iPhone 15 or better, which is dumb. But overall, nothing really too crazy. Like I said, the price was like $240, but that's way gone. Like, that's Black Friday. Now they're like $270. Let me know if you want the military discount though, 10%. But overall, like, if you want to get them, I'm gonna put a link in the description. But would I get them? If my sister didn't get them, hell yeah. I love getting I love getting new generation headphones because they're cool, especially from Apple. I feel like they're really innovative to an extent, not really, but yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Straight to the point. I love it. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for 600 shots. Let's go, baby.